So today I was in Dunbar to see the Edinburgh Statesman. However, first was a freight train, and it was 467M, the 1104 DB Cargo service to Tees Docks BCS Export Berth from Moss End Euro Terminal. This 2D86, the 1114's got route service to Edinburgh from Dunbar. And yes, the rain really was quite bad this morning, visibility was quite low. However, this was 1E12, the 1119 London North Eastern Railway service to London King's Cross from Edinburgh. Then here she came under 187Q, the 1132, locomotive service, that's quite a mouthful, service to Edinburgh from Derby with 47593 and 47614 in the rear. Then we went back later to see the return journey, and the first train was 1V68, the 1529 cross-country service to Plymouth from Edinburgh. Then this was 1S15, the 1546 London North Eastern Railway service to Edinburgh from London King's Cross. Then this was 1E21, the 1549 London North Eastern Railway service to London King's Cross from Edinburgh. Then this was 1S41, the delayed 1540 turned up at 1555, cross-country service to Edinburgh from Plymouth. Then this was the famous 1W96, the 1601 London North Eastern Railway service to Inverness from London King's Cross. Then here she came back up under 194Q, the 1609 locomotive service to Derby from Edinburgh.